Namaste. Today is day 5 of connection with your unborn child. Let's begin the meditation for first touch. Imagining holding your baby for the first time. Find a peaceful, comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and rest your hands gently on your belly. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Once more, take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each breath, allow yourself to relax and feel the joy and anticipation of the journey you are on. As you settle into this moment, imagine yourself surrounded by a warm golden light. This light represents love, peace, and gratitude, wrapping you and your baby in its protective embrace. Take a moment to give thanks to God for the gift of this precious life. Whisper or think these words. Dear God, thank you for the miracle of life growing within me. Thank you for the promise of the moment when I will hold my baby for the first time. I trust in your care and guidance as I prepare for that sacred experience. Now, let us begin by visualizing the incredible moment of holding your baby for the very first time. Setting the scene, bring your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, imagine yourself in a quiet, safe space, ready to meet your baby for the first time. Picture the room around you, soft lighting, peaceful energy, and a sense of pure love. Visualizing your baby, and vision your baby being placed in your arms for the first time. Imagine their tiny body, soft, warm, and perfect, resting gently against your chest. Feel the weight of them in your arms, their delicate features, and their tiny hands reaching out to you. Picture yourself gazing into their eyes, which are full of innocence and wonder. Hear their soft coos or cries, and feel their heartbeat close to yours in perfect harmony. Connecting with emotion. Let yourself fully feel the emotions of this moment. Overwhelming love, hope, and gratitude. Imagine the tears of joy in your eyes as you whisper your first words to your baby. I have been waiting for you, my sweet love. You are everything I dreamed of and more. I promise to your love you, protect you, and cherish you forever. You are safe in my arms always. Speaking to your baby, place both hands on your belly as you connect with your baby in this moment of visualization. Speak to your baby either loud or in your mind. My precious baby, I cannot wait to hold you in my arms. You are my greatest blessing, and I am so grateful for you. I already love you more than words can express. You are safe, loved, and so very cherished. When the time comes, I will hold you close and promise you the world. Imagining the bond. Feel the bond between you and your baby growing even stronger as you imagine the sacred first touch. Picture your love flowing from your heart through your hands and into your baby, creating an unbreakable connection. Now, silently or out loud, repeat these affirmations, allowing each one to deepen your sense of love and anticipation. I am grateful for the moment I will hold my baby for the first time. My baby and I are connected through love and trust. I am ready to welcome my baby into the world with open arms. The first touch with my baby will be a moment of pure joy. I am loving and nurturing mother, perfectly prepared for this journey. My baby feels my love and care even before they are born. I trust in the timing and beauty of meeting my baby. My baby is surrounded by love, safety, and warmth. I am honored to hold and cherish the life I have been blessed with. God's love and grace guide me as I prepare for this sacred moment. As this meditation comes to a close, take a deep breath in, feeding your heart with gratitude. Whisper or think these words. Thank you, God, for the promise of this beautiful moment. Thank you for the strength and love you have given me to prepare for this journey. I just in your plan and look forward with joy to the day I will hold my baby for the first time. Now, when you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Carry the warmth of this visualization with you throughout your day. Remember, the love you feel now is a reflection of the love you will share with your baby. Starting with that very first touch. Now, just be grateful and thankful towards God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Om Shanti. Namaste.